Deepak po in Indonesia. There's so many. It doesn't matter the roster of talent, but nothing about the spirit of the one ating to. They rose to global recognition with their pre-debut track called Daling Bale, peaking at number 3 on Spotify's Viral Songs chart and racking up over 24 million streams. Here are Michael, Hans, Derek, and Josh. Let's all welcome to Lady.
Falling out, falling in, nothing sure in this world, no, no.
Breaking out, breaking in, never knowing what lies ahead. We can really never tell it all. No, 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 no.
Say goodbye, say hello to a lover or friend. Sometimes we never could understand why some things begin then, just then.
We can really never have it all, no, no. But oh, can't you see that no matter what happens, life goes on and on. And so, oh baby, just smile,
'Cause I'm always around you, and I make you see how beautiful life is for you and me. Take a little time, see the butterflies, colors, listen to the birds. Never sent to sing for me and you. Can you feel me? This is such a wonderful place to be. Even if there is pain now, everything will be alright. For as long as the world still turns, there will be night and day. Can you hear me? There's a rainbow always after the rain.
Hitting high, hitting low, win or lose, you should go, yeah, yeah.
Getting warm, getting cold, but the could be so good, oh bad. But baby, this is life, no, don't get mad. No, 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 no.
'cause oh, can't you see that no matter what happens,
Life goes on and on, so oh baby, please smile.
'cause I'm always around you, and I'll make you see how beautiful life is for you and me.
Take a little time, baby, see the butterflies, colors, listen to the birds. Never sent to sing for me and you. Can you feel me? This is such a wonderful place to be. Even if there is pain now, everything will be alright. For as long as
Musika Charles. At kami po ang GA2!
Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta nyo ngayong araw. For spending with us, syempre, for rapping namin dito sa Bonjour Drew. Excited na ba kayo? Tol, parang hindi sila excited.
Feeling ko.
Pare.
Feeling ko energy dyan.
Galing lang.
Messi na yung Messi here! Go! Nakasan nyo, ang dami ng energy. Feeling ko enough na yung energy nila para sa next song natin.
Oh, good. Isa pa? Ano lang ba? Let's go.
Sino siya? Ang lakas ng dating, ang lakas ng dating, ang lakas ng dating. Ay sino siya? Pag nakitang gumiling talagang manggigigil ka. Galing-galing mo, galaw na gusto ko. Sige igiling, wag hihinto.
O dalin-dalin mo, sayaw na gusto ko. Baby, igiling, wag hihinto.
Grabe daling-dali, 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 grabe daling-dali. Ay sino siya? Ang bangis niyang gumiling, ang bangis niyang gumiling, ang bangis niyang gumiling-giling. Sino siya? Di na kayang pigilin, talagang manggigigil ka. Daling-dali mo, sa'yo na gusto ko. Sige igiling, wag hihinto.
O dalin-dalin mo, sayaw na gusto ko. Baby, igiling, wag hihinto.
Grabe daling-dali, 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 grabe daling-dali. Daling-dali mo, sa'yo na gusto ko. Sige igiling, wag hihinto.
O dalin-dalin mo, sayaw na gusto ko. Baby, igiling, wag hihinto.
Grabe daling-dali, daling-dali, daling-dali. Sige daling-dali, daling-dali,
Guys, Charles, Derek, Michael Keane, and of course, nasa naman natin sila guys. Wow! Gawang, literal na gawang ating to, ladies and gents. They are the next big thing. Magbawa muna kayo guys. Masalamat muna kayo sa lahat.
Maraming ulit. Maraming salamat ulit. SSC San Lazaro for coming and supporting. Maraming supporting you po. Maraming supporting you. Again, sa mga pagpupunta ng mga araw sila. Maraming supporting namin. Thanks to mga followers na sa mga social media like that. Hindi ka official. At syempre, abangan ko kasi wala akong mga reviews sa upcoming soon. So make sure na follow nyo naman sa
There we go guys. Kaya naman, bago kayo pumunta ng backstage, picture mo tayo with the whole SF6 sa Plaza. Come on. Guys, ayan, ano nangyari dyan? Ano nangyari sa likod? Okay, picture mo na kayo sa kaya natin. Guys, sama kayo sa picture. picture group tayo dito. Boys, tingin kayo sa akin tayo. Miss Harry, is your tayo dito. Crowd photo. Guys, put your hands up in the air for Julie J! There you go. Yeah. Gawa ating to. Watch out for the upcoming watch out for the upcoming treats. Diba? Ano kayo susunod sa GA2? Nalaman natin yan next time. Thank you so much, GA1 more time. I'll see you in the next event. Thanks so much.